Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to allow access to Google Photos on your iPhone so the app can view and back up your photos. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app and scroll down and look for Google Photos. If you're on the latest iOS version, tap Apps at the bottom and then here find and select Google Photos. And once inside, you'll see the Photos option. Tap it and choose Full Access so the Google Photos can access all your pictures. Now, the app can view and sync your photos properly. If you don't see the Photos option, delete and reinstall the app. To do that, long press the Google Photos and tap Remove App. Then, reinstall it to your App Store. After reinstalling, go back to the settings and click Google Photos, and the Photos Access option should now appear. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Google Access Photos on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.